Hi everyone, this is the math lesson of our animal adaptations unit. This is the fourth lesson that we'll be doing in our unit, and we're doing it along with a field trip that we're taking to a nearby pond. So, first things first, let's look at our objective. We're going to visit a local ecosystem, in this case it will be a pond, and we're going to list all of the animals we observe and describe the adaptations that we see that help them survive in that pond environment. And then we're going to use a website that helps us create graphs to graph what we found. So let's go down here to the little box that says Start Here. Now, to sort of jog your memory, I want you to remember the concept map that we made a couple weeks ago. This is going to help us remember the sort of things that we're going to be looking for when we go to the pond. So you can click on this link to see this Prezi presentation, which we made in class. You'll probably remember. And as you go through it, after it loads, you'll see some arrows on the bottom. You can use these arrows to go through and to see all of the different things in the pond environment. This is just a tool for you to help you remember the things that we'll be looking for as we go through. So I won't go through that whole thing now because we did that in class and I want you to do it on your own. So let's go back to our website. So on the day of the field trip, we're going to use this sheet that I've designed for you. Now when you click on this link, you will be able to download a document and print it out, and that's what we'll bring with us when we go to the pond. It has lots of spaces on it to record your observations about the pond. There's spaces for you to write down the animals that you see, the plants that you see. There's spaces for you to check off any adaptations in the animals that you see. And then after the field trip, when we come back, we're going to click on this link to go to this website. It helps us create graphs. Now you'll remember our talk about what the x-axis and the y-axis are, and I'll help you do this in class, but this is just to get you prepared. You'll enter in all your information about the names of the animal adaptations and how many you saw, and this will help us create a graph. And that's the math lesson. It's something that we're going to work on together in class and on the field trip, but I wanted to provide you with a little bit of information ahead of time. So if you have any questions about it, you know how to contact me. Send me an email in this box right here.